We're going to do some more filtering in this video. This time what I want to do is I want to look at the credits column and I want to select the freshmen and the seniors. Those are two people at opposite ends of the number line for credits. Freshmen are going to be less than 30. Seniors are going to be 90 or more. So first thing we need to do is, this is a database thing we're trying to do. So when you go to the Data tab, go to the Sort and Filter group and turn Filtering on. Just make sure your cursor's in the data before you start. We get the drop down arrows here, and what we want to do is we want to apply a filter rule in the credits column. Now let's go to Number Filters, and we're going to choose a custom filter. In general, stay away from this unless you're testing for equality, and we're not testing for equality this time. So go to a custom filter, and what I want to do here is to get the freshmen are going to be less than 30 credits, and then the seniors are going to be greater than or equal to 90 credits. And I click on OK, and I get nobody, 0 records. And the reason that happened is because when I was applying my rule here, let's go back and look at our custom filter. The two parts of the rule are correct, less than 30 and greater than or equal to 90. But in between here we've got a choice of either and or. If I choose and, it means both of these rules have to be true before a record will be selected. Well, it's not possible for any number to be less than 30 and greater than or equal to 90 at the same time. So you're always going to get 0 records if you have a rule like this. What I want is I want people who are on one end of the credits list or the other end. So if either one of these is true, if this is true, then I've got a freshman. If this is true, I've got a senior. If I have and in there, I'm asking for the people who are freshmen and seniors simultaneously, and there are no such people. So put or in here. And means both, and when you use and, it's going to be more restrictive. When or means either, and when you use or, it's going to be less restrictive, and you'll get more results. Now let's click on OK. And if we look at our data here, let's go in here and just sort the data. And these people are freshmen, and these people are seniors. So I got exactly what I wanted. But you have to be careful. Sometimes, most of the time, you're going to use and when you're doing a compound condition like that. But sometimes you need to use the word or.